Let's look at how the DTX part numbering can be customized and how it integrates with Solidworks for creating material part IDs. To begin, log into DTX using your assigned credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section and click on Sequence Generation. In this section, create a new part numbering ID for the material ID. While setting up the logic, you'll find various variable data types, but in this setup, parameters are defined such as fixed text, config list, tag, and auto number, selecting the appropriate data type for each element. The fixed text defines a constant prefix. The config list provides drop-down options such as material type or grade. The tag helps identify product or project categories, and the auto number automatically generates sequential numbering. After setting up all the required fields, save the part numbering ID to complete the configuration. Next, go to the tenant feature configuration area and link the newly created part numbering ID to the Solidworks plugin. This ensures that every time a new material is created, it follows this logic. With the numbering logic set, open Solidworks and navigate to the Beacon DTX tab. Log in with your DTX credentials. Select Assembly File and click on Create Material, which opens a new pop-up window. You will now see the part ID automatically generated based on the numbering logic you created earlier. Choose the relevant drop-down list and tag values to generate the part ID properly. Then, enter the material name, unit of measurement, and PLM material ID. After creating the material, we see the custom properties updated with relevant information. This setup ensures that part number are generated uniformly, maintaining consistency and synchronization between DTX and Solidworks. It also improves data traceability and aligns the process with standard PLM ERP practices.